Hello dear traders, name is Tim and this is the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with dollar. The dollar index is trading at 98.50. The key driver for the dollar remains the outlook for the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. It is expected that at its meeting at the end of January, the regulator will refrain from cutting rates amid high inflation, which still exceeds the 2% target. However, the Fed's rhetoric could change significantly if December's employment and unemployment data confirm a further weakening of the labor market. Today, traders are focusing on data on job growth in the US non-farm sector. According to forecasts, 60,000 jobs were created in the US economy last month, following 64,000 in month before. Given the weak ADP report published on Wednesday, it is likely that the actual data may turn out to be worse. Thus, a weak report may increase the chances of the Fed easing its policy in the first quarter, which will put pressure on the dollar. Dollar volatility may also increase as the US Supreme Court could rule on Trump's trade tariffs today. Next, oil. WTI crude oil is trading at $58.20 per barrel, as before expectations of increased supply from Venezuela are putting pressure on prices. On Tuesday, the White House announced an agreement with Venezuela's temporary government to restore infrastructure with US investment and transfer 50 million barrels of oil worth up to $2 billion to the US. In addition, Trump has allowed the import of technology, spare parts and services for immediately compensate for decades of declining production and ensure short-term growth. According to analyst estimates, the realization of these plans could cause prices to fall to $40 per barrel in the future. Against this background, Morgan Stanley expects a surplus of 3 million barrels per day in the first half of this year. Given this, oil retains its potential for decline. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.